Buick Encore 2013 to 2022. Removing the speaker itself is very easy, just disconnect the connector and unscrew one mounting bolt. However, you must first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt behind the door handle and a second one in the armrest. Using the plastic trim tool, pry the panel from the bottom to release the 7, maybe 8 clips. Then from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors.